to me I'm pretty. Such a bad tick-tocker. Someone please teach me how to dance. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. It is no secret that I spend an alarming amount of time on TikTok, and please let me know if you also have this problem so I feel a little bit less alone in this situation. Like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours go by, I'm sleeping less, I'm dancing more? Anyways, follow me on TikTok if you don't already. By the title, you probably already know that today we're gonna be DIYing some clothing styles that I have been seeing all over TikTok. You guys know I live in athleisure, and I feel like TikTok is here for athleisure, but like a little more edgy, like sweatpants with like fun extra things to them. So today I'm gonna show you how to DIY some fun, honestly, TikTok related athleisure and loungewear. P.S. I just launched a new vlog channel, so if you haven't already subscribed, I will leave the link down bar below, youtube.com/laurDIY vlogs, and it's just like super chill, super fun. Decided to move all my vlogs onto this new channel, so I will see you over there. I just realized that this is basically just like a DIY dress like the Hype House people. I feel like that's who's always on my For You page, and like I follow like Addison and Dixie and Charlie and all of them. Okay, so the first DIY is a bleached tie-dyed or bleached washed black shirt, and you've probably seen this on all of your favorite TikTokers, and it's so easy to make. I feel like it's really popular in stores, but like y'all could make this. So I'm gonna start just by wetting the shirt a little bit. This is a ketchup bottle from Target, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of, what the hell? Look, this is, what is going on? That water bounced off of the shirt. In what? I'm a science YouTuber? It still hasn't absorbed. Okay, honestly, I'm not sure if this is a me thing or if I'm like just like really questioning the quality of the Amazon black tea that I bought. Are you kidding? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Are you seeing this? It's rolling! The water is rolling! I have so many questions. I'm so confused. Okay, there we go. It's feeling like a little wet. Wow, what a start to the video. That was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. So yeah, welcome to my channel. I'm a science YouTuber now. Love that for us. Oh my god, I'm fascinated by this. Please, like truly, if you do know why this is happening and I have bouncy water, let me know. So weird. Cancel the video. I just want to bounce water off shirts now. Guys, the bouncy water is sketching me out. I feel like it's not gonna bleach properly, so I'm just gonna be safe and do a different shirt. This one actually probably is a little more fitting for the topic that we're DIYing. I feel like Champion has made the biggest comeback. I remember Champion from like the 90s and early 2000s when Champion was popping then, and then it was like not cool to wear Champion, and she back. Okay, water, let's see, do we have water? Oh, a normal shirt, bless. Bless. Ah, okay, yeah, this one will be good. This one will be good. So I'm using the same technique that I did in the buying YouTuber merch and DIYing it for the Merrill Twins hoodie, and essentially you're just gonna crumple it up and elastic it. There's not really a pattern for this. You can definitely do the regular classic tie-dye patterns like the spirals and stuff. I like this to be a little more random, so I literally just crumple and elastic. Bleach removes pigment from black shirts really quickly, so you'll start seeing it change to that orange color that we're going for pretty fast. I've got my really professional water bottle filled with half bleach and half water, and I'm just gonna cover the front and back, and then pretty much immediately we'll take the elastics out, give it a rinse, throw it in the wash, and we done. Oh my gosh, the reveal is always so fun. Oh, this one looks good. Wow, fun, love it. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse her out and then throw her in the wash, and we'll see in a little bit for some fun B-roll. Yo, I'm so glad we didn't go with like the sketchy blobby water one. That was the move for sure. Okay, BRB. Guys, this is a major missed opportunity. I just filmed all this B-roll while I should have been like, oh, no, you tell me I'm pretty. Such a bad tick-tacker. The new one that I want to learn is the one by Zoe Fish or whatever, and it's like, I'm just a critter. Someone please teach me how to dance. Another trend that I've been seeing all over TikTok in hoodies and sweatpants is basically like a split sweatpant or a split hoodie where it's like the right pant leg from this one, the left pant leg from this one. And the beauty of this is that you can really just like still have two pairs of pants, which is nice. So I've got some black and camo print, and I think I'm just gonna straight up just like chop these right in half and then fuse them together, and by fuse I mean sew them together. But this is like a great DIY to do with friends, just like bringing together two pairs of sweatpants. I ordered these both off of like Amazon Essentials, so they're the exact same size. So I'm thinking that they're going to sew together pretty well, and I'm excited. I've actually done this in that James Charles hoodie that I fused together, the two sisters hoodies. So this is part 2 TikTok edition because everybody on TikTok be wearing sweatpants and I am here for it. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I think that I should turn these inside. Wait, okay, hang on, let's think about this. Does zero planning before filming a video. Let's just chop her in half. I love not thinking of my DIYs until the moment of. So this is an elastic waistband, and the drawstring actually only goes from here until here on the front portion. So that's actually super helpful for us fusing these together. My brain hurts. My brain hurts from this DIY already. Okay, so this actually isn't that much sewing. I feel like I'm just scaring myself and intimidating myself. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Let's de-leg this pant. Sounds gory. This is so weird. Like, what am I supposed to do with this now? Side note, guys, these Amazon sweatpants are like the Brandy Melville sweatpants, but they're like $14.99, I think, if you're looking for a really soft pair of sweatpants. Let me make sure I'm doing this right and I have the right side of the leg. I need this leg. Yeah. Oh, good start. Okay, got it. Okay, so my little sewing machine foot here is too small to do the waistband, so we'll have to do it by hand afterwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the seam here and basically make a new seam just on the inside of this one and try my best to make it as precise as possible. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Smoother than I thought it was going to, and again, that makes me a little nervous. Oh god, okay. Let me examine. Okay, moment of truth, y'all. Oh, sick! These are sick! We got 2 working drawstrings. Ooh, big fan, big fan. Wow, I'm so excited to try these on. Woo! Oh, I'm so excited, these look sick! Another big trend that I've been noticing, and I actually ended up buying a pair of sweatpants similar to this because I've been seeing them everywhere. I feel like in the 2000s we were like, okay, butt graphics. And then 2020 came around, we're like, crotch graphics. Just like slapped straight on the crotch area of sweatpants. And honestly, I think it's kind of cute. I'm here for it. I have a pair of Reckless sweatpants. I've seen front graphic sweatpants on Avani, the Lopez brothers, and a few others, and they're super cute. I feel like the first ones I ever saw were like the Taylor Holder, stop looking at my ones, and I was like, oh, so we're doing that now, okay. So anyways, I've got a pair of gray sweats, and I actually was meaning to get ones a little bit lighter because we're gonna be doing an iron-on transfer, and typically these do turn out better on a lighter fabric. So I would aim for either white sweats or a gray that leans a little bit lighter like this sweater. And then on a transfer sheet, I have somewhat illegally printed out the word Gucci in these really cute colors that I saw on this other logo that may have inspired this. It's not the official Gucci font or Gucci like logo anything, so fingers crossed we don't get sued or Gucci doesn't come for us. I mean, we're a freaking DIY channel. They're not gonna come for us. It's not that serious. But I have it mirrored on the transfer paper. I'm gonna cut it out as close as I can to the letters because anything that's white does leave a little bit of a transparent trim around it. Spelled out Gucci across the front, and that's gonna be it. Also, did I make the Gucci too big for my crotch? Things I've never said before. Did I make the Gucci too big for my crotch? Okay, I'm gonna trim these out and we'll find out. Yep, it's hot, it's hot. Okay, so I'm a little bit worried that these sweats are too dark because these are transfers for a lighter base. So I'm a little concerned that the colors aren't gonna be as vibrant as they would have been had I gotten whites. Do we start again? Wow, this DIY video has just gone so awry in so many different ways. G and U goo are ready to be peeled off, so I'm gonna take a look at what they look like when they've transferred. I'm going for like pretty vibrant, and I don't know if this is gonna be it. I think I hate it, guys. I think I hate it. I'm sad, 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 I'm sad. Oh yeah, no, we gotta start again. This ain't it. This ain't it. Oh, baby, no. What is that creasing on that seam? Starting again. I gotta reprint out guck. Perfectionist problems. Take two, white sweatpants. I had these on deck to actually tie-dye just like for funsies, not even for a video or anything. Also, I'm realizing now that this is kind of the same color scheme as Google, now that it's like a white background. But I don't know, I'm kind of into it. Like, I kind of like that it's like a little googly. It's kind of fun. Wow, okay, love this for me. Just spend another half an hour cutting guck out. All right, white, don't let me down. I can definitely already see that the colors are so much more vibrant. I feel like this was for sure the move. Oh, that was so satisfying. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I swapped these out for the white sweats. Oh my gosh, cute. Wow, these actually turned out way cuter than I thought they were going to. They're like a little googly, but I'm into it, I think. These also fit so well. Again, don't waste your money on sweatpants from like super expensive stores. Amazon, Walmart. I promise they're so soft and pretty bomb quality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to send me photos if you try out any of these DIYs at laurDIY on pretty much everything. I'll also have the link to the new vlog channel in the down bar below. I don't have an upload schedule, just kind of uploading like whenever I'm doing fun things, which has been super fun and super chill. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the vlog channel, just like chilling, no schedule, whenever, and again on Sunday for another Sunday DIY. Bye guys, love you.
My pretty little kingdom out here running.